Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change Shopify password in your Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone and just opening Shopify. Okay. So after you open Shopify application, just find your gear icon. Just click on settings, and after that just scroll down and find help and support. Just find the support, just click on supports. In support you have to search here reset password. Okay, and you will see the link like I can't reset password. Click on it. Then now you have to you will have the some block type page. So just scroll down, and here you can see the one link which says reset your password. Just click on it. Now it's bring you the next page where you have to enter your username or email id. Okay, enter your username or email id. So I just enter my email id here. Okay, just netcast